In this video, we are shopping for planner supplies. We're going to check out the Happy Planner aisle in two stores, Michael's and JoAnn, see what they have from the new spring release, flip through a few little things, and see if there's anything that we want to take home. Let's go. Hello, I'm Katie, and welcome to the Planner channel. Subscribe to watch videos like these. First up, let's head out to JoAnn. It looks like they have some of the spring collection here. I love those folders. There's some new extension packs, new mini planner I see down there, some of the new planners down here on the bottom shelf. This cosmic watercolor is so pretty. There's another wild planner. And then lots of sticker books in stock. It looks like they have Miss Maker, the new alphabet stickers, and cosmic watercolor. They have Bold and Bright and the new Stargazer. The Modern Wild stickers. And I wanted to do a quick flip through of this cosmic watercolor. These are really pretty. Here's the new seasonal sticker book and the playful tile. This one's really pretty too. And then Radiate, Gratitude, Wellness. I love all the foil colors in the new Stargazer sticker book. This is the other planner that was on my shopping list from my spring haul. I'll link that video up, but look how pretty. It has all roses and shades of pink. This is a 6-pack of planner folders. These are awesome. Let's flip through Playful Tile also. Always check your clearance section because you never know what they're going to have, and this time they have a bunch of planner stickers and planner goodies. I also found some Distress Oxides from Ranger Ink. They had 4 or 5 different colors, but my ink stash is full. They had the cat planner, the dog planner, and a few other ones. Lately, I've been trying out different kinds of new pens, so I wanted to see what they had in the pen section. It's so nice that this one shopping center has both a JoAnn and a Michael's. In the spring collection, Happy Planner came out with a bunch of these twin loop planners. This Faith one's super pretty. All right, let's check out the sticker section. Everything's 40% off today. They have a few of the new sticker books kind of mixed in, like that alphabet one, and some new floral sticker books here, the new seasonal sticker book, Stargazer, Bold and Bright, Sage. Ooh, I should have flipped through that one while I was in the store. If you're new to the Happy Planner, I think that you will find when you're actually looking at the planners in person, they are so much prettier. Here's the one that I chose, Blushing It. Make sure to check your end caps on the papercraft section of your store because they have things there too. Can you guys believe it's already time for Easter? Michael's Lexington carts are now available in so many colors. If you want to get some extra covers for your planner, or if you don't mind redating a planner, always check your clearance section because they have really good deals on planners from the previous release. I noticed at the entrance to Michael's they have this grab and go self-service for online orders and also this classes and events posted at the front. Okay, so we checked out our 2 local stores to see what they have in stock. They have some of the new stickers, the new planners, some really cute stuff. Nothing was on like super sale today, so I'm gonna wait until something's on sale and I have some coupons. But I wanted to take a look and see what was available so that I could make my, second shopping list. What did you like from what you saw in the stores today? Leave that in the comments. If you like this shopping shop with me vlog video, definitely hit that thumbs up button. All of my videos, I don't talk about this very often, but everything is added to a playlist. I have a ton of playlists. So if you want to see like shopping videos, there's a playlist for that. There's hauls, there's plan with me's, there are tutorials, all different things in playlists. So this will be in our shopping hauls and product videos playlist. So check out the next one there. If you want to learn more about planning, head on over to the Planner School. I have 6 planning courses open in there where you can learn more about planning and all the other things too. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up button and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.